Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change profile photo in Imo. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Imo and tap on your profile photo or profile icon to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Tap on your profile icon and tap on this camera icon to the upper right hand corner, and now you can upload or select Imo avatar by tapping on this avatar option. Also, you can take instant photo by tapping this option here, and to upload a photo from your phone gallery, tap on choose from album and now select a photo and tap on done. And that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.